It is lunchtime here, and I am just behind the former H.P. Ijams home here in the Ijams Nature Center, and been reacquainting myself all morning with Ijams. And I guess summer is here at Ijams here in the motherland, because the Nature Center, empty early in the morning, has literally exploded with buses, cars from out of state, families, dogs, joggers, bikers, since about 10:30 this morning. So as Memorial Day begins here at Ijams Nature Center, I wanna highlight perhaps the most fascinating and overlooked thing here at Ijams. This here, what you're looking at, is a sinkhole. Okay, and there is an accompanying sign here that describes sinkholes. Now, when I first came to Ijams, and notice, Mom, there is a fence, that there's a chain link fence all around. In any case, when I first came to Ijams, I thought, oh, how cute. What a novelty. You know, a sinkhole. You know, I've seen sinkholes in, my 60 years of living. What's the big deal? Well, the big deal is what caused the sinkhole. Okay, something I didn't read when I first got here to Knoxville and East Tennessee. Sinkholes. The layers of limestone underneath Ijams and most of the Tennessee Valley have one major weakness. Over the course of thousands of years, limestone can be slowly dissolved and washed away by water. Much of the limestone underneath us looks like Swiss cheese. Water has found a way into cracks and flowed downward over time, creating sinking creeks, caves, caverns, and near the surface, sinkholes. Geologists call this type of eroded bedrock karst topography, and sinkholes can open up, causing the ground to collapse at any time. Okay. Now, you know what amazed me when I first came to Tennessee? East Tennessee. All right. That's east of Nashville. Chattanooga, Knoxville primarily. Was not the sinkholes, but the certain, what I called, cliffing of the rocks. The cliffs, I have never seen cliffs in all my travels across America until I came here to Chattanooga and saw the overlook at Chattanooga, or the overlook in Rock City. And I never saw so many caverns and caves to explore than when I came to East Tennessee and visited Ruby Falls. There's another cavern out by Pigeon Forge, I believe, that I also visited. Tennessee has the most caves in the world. There's something like 8,000 discovered caves in the world, and 8,000 caves in Tennessee alone. I crawled through a cave, though I am not proud. I did it at 60 some years old. I crawled through a cave here at Ijams last year with a whole handful of young people in sandals and flip-flops and a helmet with a light. But I did it. There are caves here at Ijams, which they promote for hiking through. But all of it, all of so much of the topography here that astounded and amazed me when I first came to Tennessee really began here at Ijams in a lonely, neglected sign and accompanying sinkhole that I overlooked because I knew it all. Oh well. And as for sinkholes, I must say that if you remember, I posted about sinkholes in Lake Forest, or is it Forest Lake? The park in the neighborhood off of Chapman Highway that is full of sinkholes like this. I mean, they are everywhere throughout the park. And you know, I do feel bad for maintenance there, or the rec department there, because they cannot keep up with bridging and putting up fences and such around the many sinkholes that are at the park there. Yeah, and it was fascinating. But so much of the topography of East Tennessee, whether you're going to Chattanooga, Ruby Falls, Rock City, Forest Lake Park, or is it Lake Forest Park? I don't even know the name of the park. It all begins with this park here, the Ijams Nature Center, outside of Knoxville, right behind the old former home of the Ijams family.